Hi everyone, welcome to TPP Learning Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get help within SystmOne. Whether you are a new user or an experienced SystmOne user, there will be times when you get stuck with something. Here are the ways that you can get help. First of all, you can press the F1 key on your keyboard on the screen which you are having the issue with. The F1 screen is content sensitive, meaning the system will take you to the relevant help screen. Using this as an example, I'm currently on my appointment ledger screen and I'm pressing the F1 key. A new window will pop up and the main screen shows all relevant guides for the screen I'm currently on, which is the appointment ledger screen. I can scroll up and down to find the information I need. I could also use the search tab on the left hand side to type in a specific word to filter the F1 guide. In this instance, I'm going to type in the word booking appointment. The system will then filter and highlight all the content I'm searching for. I could also use the printer button at the top to print this if necessary. Moving on to our support and FAQ screen. Navigate to the Help menu, select Support and FAQs. This screen is really useful and it contains all frequently asked questions on all topics. The column on the left are all different categories you could explore. Click on mobile working as an example. You will then see the main screen changes to show all mobile working related materials. You could also use this Document and Training Guides button to download and read all user guides TPP has created on all major functionalities. Next, you could use our forum screen to look for any topics and ideas posted by SystmOne users. Please check out our separate videos on how to use the forum screen. Finally, you could contact our TPP support department directly, but please only use this option once you have already gone through the mentioned above methods to get help, or if it was an urgent query, which could be a clinical safety related issue. Our TPP support specialists are unable to assist any hardware related issues, such as any problem with a printer or scanner. In that case, please speak to your local IT support as first point of contact. Thank you very much for watching and I hope you find this video useful. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Please don't forget to follow us on Twitter at TPP Training Tips for regular incentives.